Hi, welcome to the quiz. This very quiz can be done on quizalto.com, where you'll be able to get instant feedback with detailed answers and explanations. The link is in the description below. Quizalto has an extensive library of quizzes you can take for free, and we also have an impressive number of premium quizzes for more advanced levels. As you take quizzes, Quizalto helps you track your progress over time. If our quizzes are not enough for you, you can even create your own quizzes using AI, and they don't even have to be about AWS products. Okay, let's get started. Good luck. What is the primary role of Amazon VPC Lattice in VPC environments? To restrict network access. To manage storage resources. To automate instance deployments. To enhance network connectivity. What does Amazon VPC Lattice rely on to function effectively? Gateway VPC endpoints. Direct Connect gateways. Elastic network interfaces. CloudFront distributions. What is the primary purpose of implementing Amazon VPC Lattice in VPC configurations? To reduce instance scaling. To increase outbound data transfer. To optimize intra-VPC traffic flow. To centralize network management. What is a key advantage of using Amazon VPC Lattice for network architecture design? Improved network resilience through automated failover mechanisms. Centralized log management for CloudWatch logs. Increased fault tolerance for EC2 instances. Faster data processing speeds in Kinesis data streams. What does Amazon VPC Lattice help to prevent in VPC environments? Network bottlenecks. Security policy conflicts. Storage corruption. Instance overloading. What is a key objective of implementing Amazon VPC Lattice in a VPC environment? To increase storage redundancy. To support lower latency requirements. To improve network resiliency. To simplify data transfer billing. What is a key benefit of using Amazon VPC Lattice for media streaming applications? Enhanced network segmentation for different media content. Increased storage durability for media files. Reduced latency for live streaming services. Automatic scaling of media encoding processes. What is a primary use case for Amazon VPC Lattice in big data processing environments? Segmenting data workflows for processing tasks. Allowing public access to data warehouse resources. Increasing database read throughput. Automatically backing up data lakes. How does Amazon VPC Lattice improve network scalability? Through dynamic routing for EC2 instances. By automatically adjusting VPC CIDR blocks. By increasing the number of security groups per VPC. By enforcing strict network traffic limits. How does Amazon VPC Lattice assist in identifying network bottlenecks? By providing real-time network performance metrics. By optimizing disk read/write speeds for EBS volumes. By analyzing individual CPU utilization in EC2 instances. Through monitoring data transfer rates in RDS databases. What does Amazon VPC Lattice provide to help users visualize their VPC architecture? Drag-and-drop interface for building diagrams. Blockchain-based encryption for network traffic. AI-driven network predictions. Voice-controlled navigation for network maps. What is a benefit of Amazon VPC Lattice for network configuration optimization? Parallel processing capabilities for EMR clusters. Enhanced transport layer security for RDS databases. Automated subnet resizing recommendations. Centralized log forwarding for VPC flow logs. What is an advantage of Amazon VPC Lattice for e-commerce platform deployments? Improved network isolation for payment processing systems. Automatic load balancing of shopping cart traffic. Higher CPU performance for product catalogs. Unlimited storage capacity for customer data. What is an advantage of using Amazon VPC Lattice for managing VPC resources? Automated load balancing. Enhanced storage encryption. Dynamic instance scaling. Simplified network administration. What is a drawback of relying solely on Amazon VPC Lattice for disaster recovery setups? Limited support for failover mechanisms. Increased complexity in network configuration. Incompatibility with backup services. Higher costs for data replication. What is a lattice segment in Amazon VPC Lattice? A group of resources or VPCs within the lattice network. A type of encryption algorithm. A method for load balancing traffic. A data storage location. What is a benefit of Amazon VPC Lattice for network configuration documentation? Automated data indexing for Elasticsearch domains. Optimized cold storage solutions for Glacier vaults. Enhanced airflow management in S3 buckets. Generating network diagrams with resource metadata. What is a crucial feature of Amazon VPC Lattice for VPC configuration management? Comprehensive DNS resolution. Automatic route propagation. Automated instance snapshots. Dynamic load balancing. What is a security benefit of using Amazon VPC Lattice for database deployments? Allowing public access to databases. Increasing database read throughput. Automatically backing up database data. Enforcing strict network segmentation for database access. In what scenario would Amazon VPC Lattice be particularly beneficial for network design? When minimal bandwidth is sufficient. When static security rules are enforced. When isolated instances are preferred. When high interconnectivity is required. How does Amazon VPC Lattice improve network governance? By prioritizing performance over security. By disabling encryption for data in transit. By allowing unrestricted external access to resources. By enforcing consistent naming conventions for resources. What is a disadvantage of relying on Amazon VPC Lattice for gaming server deployments? Higher storage costs for game data replication. Limited storage capacity for game assets. Potential latency issues for real-time gaming experiences. Incompatibility with popular game engines. What is the function of a network isolation zone in Amazon VPC Lattice? To enforce data encryption for all traffic. To separate resources based on security requirements. To limit the number of VPC peers in a Lattice network. To provide public IP addresses to resources. What is a disadvantage of relying solely on Amazon VPC Lattice for network security? High data transfer costs. Incompatibility with certain AWS services. Limited connectivity options. Complexity in network management and troubleshooting. What is a benefit of using Amazon VPC Lattice to visualize network components? Automated backup and restore of EBS volumes. Improved understanding of resource dependencies. Faster data processing in S3 buckets. Centralized encryption management for RDS instances. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.